welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going for some shopping with my boys, and we want to make some cassava donuts, so Agbeli Kaklo. So we are going to get some fresh cassava from the shop, but first thing first, let me buckle up Henry in his car.
Hi.
Oh,
Hi.
and Jaden is here. Henry, have you said hi?
Hi.
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 Jaden, leave him.
Yeah, I'm happy to
You ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, so let's go get the bus. We are going to the nearest bus station because there is no car. Mr. Dewey has gone to church with the car, so I'm all alone with my two super bodyguards. Hi, boys. So let me ask these boys if they know what Agbeli Kaklo is. Have you ever eaten Agbeli Kaklo? Do you know what that is?
No.
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 No? So are you looking forward to taste it?
Yeah.
Good.
Hi.
So we are still waiting for our bus. I think it will be here in about 3 minutes. By the way, have you seen how King Henry is enjoying his pushchair? He's doing King Henry as usual. I can see the bus coming now. We are on the bus going to our favorite grocery store, which is just 7 minutes away from home. So I'm getting ready to get off the bus and heading straight to the shop with my boys. Okay guys, so we are now close to our grocery store. It's the one over there. So I'm here looking for some cassavas, but I don't have much trust in these ones. It looks like they are not too good, but I'm gonna get about 3 and we'll see how it goes at home, but I'm not too sure. And as usual, you know, boys, they are fighting over who is going to carry my bags. Give him one. Oh, I was so tempted to buy this papaya, but you know what? Let's go home. Jaden?
Yeah.
Do you enjoy pushing the pushchair?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Can you be a little bit quicker?
Yeah. I think have it. He has it.
Okay, ma don't push it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. You know, I'm so proud of my boys. They are so helpful. But there is always one difficult, and it's Jaden. Hey. Okay, get off.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I those two.
Let's go.
Yeah.
No. I decided to walk to the next bus station because the one here was a 15 minutes wait, and I didn't want to hang around for 15 minutes. One, because the weather was so hot, and two, I thought it was a very good exercise for me to walk to the next station. Perfect. 1 minute for the bus to come. The bus came very quickly, and then we got home safely. And as you can see, King Henry has fallen asleep, which is very good for me because I'm gonna have my peace to cook. Okay friends, so we are back home now, and I've got my cassavas. Let's get ready to make those cassava donuts, shall we? Let's go. Hi friends, so this is my Agbeli Kaklo, my cassava donuts. So in this video I'm going to show you my recipe, and please bear in mind that this cassava donut is not very crunchy. It is crunchy but not too much. If you want it extra hard, I'm gonna tell you how to do it. But if you want to know how to make these ones, please keep on watching. To make Agbeli Kaklo, you need cassavas, and I've got 3. I'm gonna use shallots, 2 shallots, but you can use onions. It is eaten with fresh coconut, and I've got here 1 fresh coconut. For the seasoning, all you need is salt. So the first step is very easy. All you have to do is to peel your cassava. So make sure you don't cut yourself. And remember, I said at the shop that I wasn't trusting these cassavas. I was wrong. Half of it was not good. So I had to throw away the biggest one, and I was left with 2 medium size cassava, but it was okay. I'll just make a few changes. So these are my cassava here, and I'm just going to wash them with water, with cold water. Next, I'm gonna use now 1 shallot instead of 2 shallots because I have less cassava. So now that I have washed it, I'm just gonna use my grater and grate my cassava. After you have grated it, this is how it looks like, and when you squeeze it, the starch comes out of it. So now you have to put the cassava on a muslin cloth and try to squeeze as much starch possible as you can. Squeeze it as much as hard as you can, and then this is what you end up with: cassava with the starch squeezed from it. So here comes the most interesting part. So I'm just gonna spread my cassava in my bowl, but the good thing is to spread it on a tray and let it dry out for about 1 hour if you want it very crunchy or crispy. But I'm gonna leave mine for just about under 30 minutes because I don't want it very crunchy. So this is the part where the onion or the shallot comes in. Usually it is done with onions, but this is just for a change. So now grate it on top of the cassava, so either the onion or the shallots. Okay. Next, mix it with your washed hands. It is very important. And then add in some salt. But one important thing is, do not forget to taste it because you might need more salt. So I've put it aside and I'm going to crack open my coconuts, and this is a nice fresh coconut. So the next step, form some little balls with the cassava. So with this, I think I got about 9 cassava donuts. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 9 cassava balls. Okay, and now onto the oil. This time I just use sunflower oil, but you can use vegetable ones, and I always prefer to use fresh oil when I'm frying something because I think it is healthier and it makes it look nicer and fresh. So when the oil is hot, you can deep fry the cassava donuts. Again, make sure you do not burn yourself because the oil is very hot. Now let it fry for about 5-6 minutes, making sure that you turn them over so that they don't burn. And the cassava donut or Agbeli Kaklo is ready when it turns to this nice bright golden color. So let the oil drain on kitchen paper, and this is it. I have already cut my coconut and decorated it with it. So now, as usual, I'm just gonna show you one. I'm gonna open it and let you see how it looks like on the inside. So as you can see, it is crunchy but not too much, and this is my preference. Okay, so I have told you how to do it if you want it extra crunchy. So make sure you squeeze a lot of starch out of it, and let it dry on a tray for about 1 hour. If you can leave it outside, it is even better. If you have a garden, just let it dry out for about 1 hour, and then do the same thing, the same process, and your Agbeli Kaklo should come out very, very crispy. Make sure you don't crack your teeth. Thank you for watching this video. Leave me comments, share, likes, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.